I'm here to offer you the first of its kind affordable credit repair. I'm not trying to be opportunistic in your time of need, whether that is to buy a home, to buy a car, or just simply to have nice furniture. Whatever it is that you need to purchase that you don't have enough money to pay for, which if you are earning low income, anything under $15 an hour, you're going to need good credit. Chances are that if you are making less than $15 an hour or $15 an hour, you probably have made a mistake and not paid one of your bills. This affects your credit, this affects your lifestyle, this affects the things that you can do. And Latino Renaissance is here to support you, to help you. And if you are a low-income family that is trying to get a place to stay, buy your own home, Latino Renaissance will do your credit repair for free. $0. We'll show you how to do your own credit repair. We'll give you all the hints. Now, if you would like for us to do it, we'll kindly give you a very low cost offer. But if you want to do it yourself, I will teach you and give you all the tools that you need to do it yourself. Because I'm not here to stop you from accomplishing your dreams. I'm here to enlighten you, to give you the information, to empower you, to let you have the American dream, which is the beautiful home, making tamales on Christmas Day with your children, having a nice car in your driveway. All these things are achievable if you follow Latino Renaissance. Add us to your daily feed and stay tuned, because we are not a business. We are not an organization. We're a movement.